everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different, as you've seen by the title. So today I really wanted to go over my passive and semi-passive income. There's a couple of reasons why I'm starting this, and the biggest reason is so I can track and improve my passive income. This month it would be really cool to kind of go through and not only give you guys ideas of things that you can do, but also things that I'm trying myself personally to increase my passive income. If you don't know, I'm trying to reach financial independence, so it's really important that I track how much I'm making, not only through like work that I'm doing manually outside or like acting work, but also through passive income sources, so income that comes to me every month, and just to see how that's going, how consistent it is. And it's really good to have it as a basis for later on. So when I do partially retire, it sounds so weird when I say it out loud. I don't think I've ever said it out loud on a video. But when I do partially retire, because I do want to keep doing work, but I don't want to have to work. So that's the point of financial independence. It's just meaning that I can live off of like my passive income and off of my investment portfolio, but I still will work. I just won't be worried about work. So that's like the aim here. So yeah, this is weird, like to open up my finances to you guys, but you know what? I think that it is important that we discuss finance. I think it's important that we discuss what we do in life, and to help other people who might be thinking of ways that they can make themselves more financially free, and also to work smarter. Like, I am all about working smarter. I don't believe in trading my time for like manual physical work. Don't get me wrong, the things I really am passionate about and enjoy, I love doing, so it's different in that sense. But I honestly believe that working smart is the best way for me, to be fair. It might be different for someone who loves manual labor, who loves like grinding and working. Some people just love working. So it's fine for them because that obviously brings them joy. But for me personally, I like to work on my passions. I'm a writer, I'm a very creative person, and I need that creative stimulation. So my work has to reflect that, and creativity doesn't always pay very well. So yeah. Just wanted to kind of let you guys know why I am trying to sort of aim for financial, like for FIRE, not really for FIRE, which is retiring early, but at least financial independence. But yeah, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna try and keep this short because there's not that much to go over, honestly. But yeah, I just wanted to set this up. This month, I'm just a bit of a disclaimer, this month is obviously a bit higher, it's a bit of a higher month because of one specific thing. We'll go into it anyways. So let us go into my passive income. So the first line item, which is Adsense, is actually one of the biggest things that is usually in my passive income. So this Adsense income is from YouTube and my blog. So that is from a different YouTube channel, not this YouTube channel, Abby Abroad. If you guys don't know, or if you're from Abby Abroad, you will know. I've had that YouTube channel since 2011 when I moved to Korea, and I haven't been uploading on it for a couple of years. I've just been sporadically uploading and updating about things that happen in my life, but I've only started uploading again within the last like few weeks, like the last month. So the income has gone up. Usually it sits at around 20-30 pounds a month when I'm not uploading anything. So that's passive income from like years of uploading content that people are still watching, and that comes in. But now I'm actively uploading there again because I don't know, inspired to just like make videos again. I've got the feeling back. It comes and goes. YouTube is hard work, if you guys know. Like, it takes so much effort, and if you're not really passionate about it, like, you won't want to upload. And I never try to force myself to upload when I'm not like feeling it. So I did take a break from that channel for a while, but I'm back. So yeah, so that's where that £44.86 is. That's an estimate. That's why it says estimate next to it, because YouTube hasn't yet paid me for that. Actually, I can check, but it hasn't been deposited into my Adsense. It gets paid out on the 22nd usually. I went in and actually checked, and it was 44.28, which you will be seeing the right numbers, but I'm seeing the odd numbers, so that's why I went over that. But yeah, so it was estimated to be 44.28, hasn't been paid yet, but it's in my account. So that is pretty great for not really doing a lot of work. So exciting. I do have to upload again, so we'll see how it is next month, but this is quite a high month. I'm guessing because I started uploading again. Usually, as I said, it's not that much because I don't really upload to that channel and I don't have any newer content that people are watching quite constantly. So yeah, so we'll see how that goes over the next like couple of months. Hopefully it increases. The next line item is Medium. So on Medium, I made a whole video about how much I make on Medium, how much I've been making on Medium. I didn't post for about 2 months, and I think since July I didn't post. So I still made 23 pence. It's actually 31 US dollars, 31 cents that I converted. As you can see, I've got both the US dollar and then I just use a formula to convert it to US dollars. I haven't been really writing as often on there, but I am getting back into that. So I did post, have started posting again this month. So I'll be interested to see how that is next month in the payment. But for now, I made 23 pence on Medium this month. Well, in August, last month. The next thing in my passive income is a Trading 212 share that I got, and it was £11.37. That was a share for Shell, I think it was, and that was the first free share I'd got. That was when I signed up, so I got that. That was free money, so technically passive income, didn't have to do anything to get it other than sign up. So yeah, and in the future maybe I'll have some other shares, and I'm hoping that will become a part of this. The next thing I got was a free trade share. That was for £4.62, and that was the aging population iShares stock, and I sold that and bought Tesla instead. So yeah, Tesla's on an interesting roll right now. Well, a downwards roll, rolling downhill. Yeah, so those are 2 free shares that I got for just signing up and using a referral link, and so that was free passive income that I didn't have to do anything for. And also with free trade, hopefully in the future I'll have something to add. Yeah, so those are 2 free shares, so that was pretty good. I should really have had a section for adding up the free shares amount, so in the future maybe if I get more free shares in the future I'll add those. So that's what I got in August for free shares. And the last line item on my passive income report is from Quidco, and I got £60.25 from there, which is a lot. That is not usual, and it probably won't be anywhere near like that in the future. That was from switching broadband providers when I moved into my new place, and also for a couple of other things. So we moved here recently. I made a video on that, so you can find that somewhere. And so we bought a lot of furniture, so I did get a lot of cash back for that. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to get some cash back yourself. But no, I've made quite a lot on Quidco, funnily enough. I've always thought about doing a video on it, but there's so many videos out there on Quidco, it's like really not like any point. It's a cashback site. Like you literally use their link and you get money back on your purchases. It's really simple. They basically get commission and they split it with you. So if you've never tried out Quidco, like if you're buying things anyways, I suggest you definitely get that. One thing I didn't add 2 things on this that I do use and get money from, but I didn't add them because they haven't paid out. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I should add them when they pay out or if I should just add them after the month is up, however much I made in that month. So I'm thinking about that. Don't know what you guys think, if you'd like to see those. But the other one I use 2 other sites, Airtime Rewards and VoxPopMe. Airtime Rewards, you get basically money off of your phone bill. I probably will make a video on a bunch of these, like all these apps, to be honest, because there's some good and bad about a lot of them. So yeah, it's interesting, but essentially it's free money. And VoxPopMe I've been using for about a year, and I recently started using it again. Yeah, and that's been actually quite, like, it's been quite constant. So I'm thinking I might add that, but I haven't got a payout yet. So that's something, not sure. Anyways, I'll leave links down below if you guys want to check them out yourself and see if there's something that you're interested in doing for passive income if you have some free time on your hands. So for the month of August, I made £120.75. Honestly, I am pretty damn happy with that. Sorry, I'm just putting my laptop down. I'm pretty happy with that. That's passive semi-passive, passive income, because no income is really passive anyways. Like, you have to do some work for it up front usually anyways, and for you to get the money, but still money that didn't require me going out to do a job. It's money that I've just got from just doing my normal things that I do anyways. So like with the YouTube channel, like I had that for a long time and I don't upload to it really anymore, but I am now, but I haven't, and it's been giving me income since I was monetized all those years ago. So that's always been really nice, especially when I'm like between jobs. It's nice to just have like something and know something's coming in, because it really kind of gives me peace of mind. Even if it's only a little bit, I know that I can do more and I can work harder and get more money if I need to, because those things are already set up and they're there for me. So yeah, it's quite a big month, I'd say. Honestly, my goal right now like is to get to about £500, because essentially that would cover, like if I get to £500, I am pretty done. Like it would cover quite a lot of my expenses and stuff, I think, in the long run, when supplemented with my stock portfolio. That's the idea for me here, trying to get the passive income so I don't have to have as much invested, so I can have quite a good monthly income and be semi-retired, but still working, obviously, doing creative things, working, but I don't have to be like, I need to be in an office 9 to 5, like I need to be grinding every day to make ends meet. I never want that to be my reality. So yeah. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, that is my passive income report for August. I don't know if you guys are interested in this. If you found this useful, if you found it interesting, please let me know. If you didn't, also let me know in the comments, because I watch these quite a lot actually, and I find them really interesting because they give me so many ideas of things I can do. They give me ideas of like my expectations in what to expect for passive income. So I just wanted to share that with you, just because, like, why not? This is a channel about like finances, and I think it's important that we share the knowledge. So yes, I'm really excited. I'm really hoping that I can keep going, and this will push me to want to do better. This will push me to make more passive income streams. So I will see you guys next week with another video. Take care, stay safe, bye.